Hi, I'm glad to see you here. I'm your instructor Disha Mishra Dubey. I'm an interior stylist, an entrepreneur, and a digital content creator based in Pune, India, with over a decade of experience in my niche. I have a popular home decor blog, Design Decor and Disha, and 2 YouTube channels where I share a wealth of inspirations and ideas for creating beautiful and personalized spaces, a variety of DIY projects, art and craft tutorials, and budget friendly ideas to transform a house into a home. In 2022, I was selected as YouTube India's Next Up Ambassador. Now, let's talk about the course. It's a complete candle making guide, and here's what you will learn: clarity on candle making tools, different types of waxes, essential oils, fragrance oils, candle dyes, wicks and container types, safety protocols, eco friendly approaches, step-by-step instructions for creating container and bubble candles, common candle making issues, and how to troubleshoot them. Throughout the course, I'll share useful tips and tricks to make your learning journey fun and fulfilling. Feel free to ask questions, share your thoughts, and engage with other learners in the discussion forum. Alright, I'm so excited to see you make your first candle. Let's get started. First, let's get to know the science behind candle burning.